Hey friends, if you wish to create and insert shapes in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So click on insert. Now go to the shapes tab. Okay, we have a lot of options here for shapes. We can also use 3D shapes, we can use icon shapes, we can use normal shapes. So first of all, we'll try the normal one. Okay, I'll start with a triangle. So you can see every kind of shape here. I'll select a triangle for the sake of this example. Okay, and then I can insert a triangle here. I can change its size or I can rotate the same. Okay, this is one way. Then you can go to insert. You can also add icons. Okay, like this one. So you can also add it to a position. You can change its size and you can rotate it as well. Okay, and the other options you have is for 3D models like this one, this emoji. Okay, you can add this. And interestingly, this time we can actually rotate it into 3D. This is what you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.